Hello people, so this is my second video of the day, and people, I have to ensure nutrition to stay strong and active, and I did a whole Google search on this, people, like in terms of actually, when you think of it, we don't really have the stuff that we eat, we ingest, we apply and all is it's hardly very, like, okay, people say it's a good product, so we would use it. But if you were to stop and do some research of your own, right, you'll realize that there is probably truth in, I used to brush aside all these nutritional drinks as something that is it's all just a marketing gimmick and all. But apparently people who have trouble, like eating, or like in terms of the examples given in on Google were of cancer patients, and basically people who aren't well also. So apparently a nutritional supplement like this is very good. So that's what people, I they say you should have 6 scoops of it with while making your muesli. But I today I tried and I realized 3 scoops are good. And this is a bit expensive. I mean, for 400 grams comes for 460 rupees, and that is after a 20 rupee discount or whatever. But yeah, I find it a very and somehow after eating it you feel happy. I think it's the sugar in it, but whatever, it makes you feel good. So anyway, but yeah, so you can have this, and life is sorted. So on that note, thanks for watching people, and please subscribe.